What's the meaning of anatomical? Anatomical. 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 Anatomical.
The term anatomical relates to the study or structure of animals, plants, and other organisms. It involves the examination and analysis of physical structures and characteristics such as bones, organs, tissues, and cells. Anatomical study plays a critical role in understanding the workings of the human body in diagnosing diseases. It also helps in the development of medical treatments and surgical procedures. Through anatomical research, scientists and medical professionals gain valuable insights into the complexities of the human body and gain a better understanding of how it functions.